Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back today with 4 more trades. This is trading in the New York session and today's date is June the 9th. So we shall go through some of these pairs. Now this first pair right here, the Pound New Zealand, I traded a great way to trade using the goal line and the AO. Works fantastic, and it looks like in real time right now it hit a triple top right here, and this, if I wasn't doing a video, I might consider taking this trade, trading the channel or trading pullbacks back to the moving averages. But I did 4 trades, been trading for roughly 1 hour, and finished trading before 9 a.m. this morning. Took this trade at 7:45 on this Pound New Zealand. Let's just drag and drop it up. Exactly the way I teach in the training videos. Works fantastic. Took the trade right here at this cursor and I closed it out. Perfect timing right at the top with, it looks like 52 pips. And 52 pips on the Pound New Zealand paid $4,519. So that was my best trade of the day. Next one is also pretty good. It's the Pound Yen right here. Let's go take a look at the Pound Yen. This one right here, I sold it. Let's see where I got in at. This was also a great way to trade. Once I saw that it's not going to go up any further, I sold it at this point and I closed it out right here. Looks like with about, let's see, 29 pips. 29 pips. Close to 30 pips actually. And those 30 pips paid $3,464. Now it already hit the ADR here, and I was happy with the 30 pips. So generally, as a rule, I do 2 to 4 trades, and I'm only looking for, 20 pips or more, whatever I can generally get. Some days I get more, other days it's a struggle just trying to get 10 pips. Okay, let's move right along now. Check out the next pair. This is the Euro Yen. Drag and drop it up. I bought it. Now this is not a great way to trade. It's just another way to trade, and I teach it within the training videos on how to trade around the goal line. Took the trade right at the goal line actually, and after I saw it not going up any further, I closed out the trade with 18 pips, and those 18 pips on the Euro Yen paid $2,090. Okay, moving on to the last pair, which is the Pound Aussie. Let's go and check it out. Here on this Pound Aussie, I bought it right around 6 minutes before 8. Let's drag and drop it up. I bought it. Should have bought it a little bit lower down here, but I knew I was going to grab some pips. And of course, after I started seeing all these wicks, I got tired of waiting for it to produce some pips. So I closed out the trade. I got in at this cursor. It looks like I closed it out with 13 pips. And 13 pips on the Pound Aussie paid $1,100. So all in all, today has been a fantastic day. Pip total was 113 pips. And money-wise was $11,175. Today's is a great day, Anytime I can get 50 pips or more, I call that a really good day of trading. Let's take a quick look back at that pound New Zealand. Exactly what I said. Would have been a very good entry right about here, with a small stop if you put in stops. Sometimes I do, but I'm always sitting in front of the computer. My trades are usually short-lived, so it's not a big deal for me. I recommend that if you're going to trade, you should put in stops. Don't have to worry about the targets. But due to the fact that my trades are very short and I don't leave the computer. Now, if I leave the computer, then definitely I will put in a stop. But as you can see, it is now coming back to the moving averages. And by the way, I teach how to trade these pullbacks. So if your system is not producing like the Magic Trigger system, I suggest you get your hands on it. And to do so, all you have to do is look right below this video and you'll see this write-up. It's a Magic Trigger system. I do charge $250. And I do have a special going on right now, a very limited time offer, that when you buy the Magic Trigger for $250, and if you pay another $50 more, I'll throw in the Golden Trigger system and the Pip Trigger system. So that's a total value of $750 for only $300. So my Magic Trigger system has 3.5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now it comes with 4 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. Now I give a lot of PDF books, well over 100. Same with the Word documents, with a lot of education, which is what you need to find success trading the markets. Now, there are a lot of ways to trade the market, and I teach a lot of ways to trade the market. And that's why I now, in this particular package, Magic Trigger system, is now 38 training videos. I did 2 more yesterday called Great Trade Setups, showing you exactly what you should be looking for just prior to taking the trade. Now, my number 1 way of trading, which is also within the Great Trade Setups, is a great way to trade, and that's exactly what you're looking at on the right side here. This is a great way to trade. Now, I give a lot of trading tips in each and every video. I teach how to backtest the Magic Trigger, teach how to scalp the market, how to scan the market, teach how to trade all 3 sessions, including this London close. Now I teach how to do pullbacks, which is what's going on right now, and it's closely related to trading this channel. That's where we're selling high and buying low. And of course, I also teach how to trade pullbacks and of course reversals. Pullbacks is this right here. From there to there is a pullback. Now if it happened to break through here and keep going down, then I call that a reversal. I also teach how to trade around the goal line, like in this area right here or this area right in here. Always a lot of action around the goal line. Now I teach how to trade the news. That is very difficult to do. I recommend learning to trade the easiest way. Start making pips and money before you start trying to do the more difficult way. And also teach how to trade with a day job. That'll apply to people mostly in North America. Now if you have any questions on my Magic Trigger or any questions in general, all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Here's my email. If you live too far, remember there's an underscore right here. Now I do prefer Skype, and All you got to do is click on this link right here and we'll have a connection, and through Skype's screen sharing I'll give you a free session. No obligation, and answer your questions. Now, over many years I've been building trigger systems, 26 of them. If you want to see screenshots, all you got to do is click on this link. Now in the past 5 months I built the best 2 trigger systems, and if you want to see a review on it, just click on this link. And after I merged those 2 together and came up with the magic trigger, if you want to see a review, just click on this link. So that just about wraps up this video and another day of trading. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, happy trading, and remember, keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.